Japan Mobility Show, once again, David Chow Automotive Press. This is a surprise. Yesterday we showed you the Land Cruiser FJ, and it had the more traditional blocky headlights. We didn't expect this round headlight, more off-road focused version to be here, and better yet, we have Asai, which is a chief engineer, and we also have Louis, which is one of the chief designers as well on the exterior of the vehicle. They're going to be with us in this video, so let's get into it.
We're going to be speaking kind of a mixture of English and Japanese all together, but you get to have a real insight from us as well as from the two very important people from Toyota. So let's start right away with the exterior design features. So maybe we can ask
Louis.
Louis, do you want to just quickly introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Louis, working for Toyota. I was the exterior designer of this car.
Very important job. And 自己紹介英語できますか?
Hello everyone, my name is Takashi Asai. I'm a deputy chief engineer of TMC. Thank you very much.
So they're both very humble but very important people. So let's talk a little bit about the exterior design.
Let's go for it. Do you want to start at the front?
Sure. Can you maybe kind of explain what the concept was for the overall design for us? And you can kind of hold the microphone there, yeah.
Okay, so basically the whole car is designed for like South Asia, Japan, Middle East, and South America. Those kind of area for those people who cannot get 250 and they want shorter wheelbase, they want a smaller scale,
more compact.
In the same time, they want utility, they want big space inside, and they want to experience a Land Cruiser. So this car is for that. So to make that, we try to get as big as possible for the interior, but in the same time try to make it compact. That's why we got inspiration from dice. We made
from dice.
Dice. Yeah, we made the cabin. If you see, there's the brake under the A pillar. Okay. We separated the engine room and cabin. So you can imagine this is the cabin is a big dice, and the engine room is another small dice.
Oh, like a dice, right?
Yeah.
Like a rolling dice. Yeah,
so
rolling dice. Yeah.
Two dice just come
together.
The car.
Yes. Yeah.
And 4 fenders underneath.
Yes. Yeah.
Basically, that's the inspiration and the construction of design.
It's
to
very
achieve
cute.
the goal I explained.
A very important question also for chief engineer also. I know you named some important regions for this one. Is it still possible to configure this for North America, US and Canada? 可能性はありますか?
Give me hope.
Give us hope.
仮として今のところすみませんちょっともう
So he gave a very diplomatic answer, because we trying to kind of push this envelope. You guys all want to know if this is going to come to North America. They said right now it's not in the plan to bring to US or Canada or North America as a whole. But he said if he received or they receive enough feedback from everyone, then it's something that they can think about, right? So that's all I need to hear. Right?
For the media here, the North American media here, this is the most important car. We all want it very, very badly. Yeah.
Just keep calling. I want that.
Oh, there you guys hear that? So we know here in the comments below. We want FJ.
Yeah. Make sure. Yes.
And by the way, I had a Land Cruiser 250 myself.
Me too.
Oh, you have too? But I sold it and I bought the Lexus GX 550. Okay. So, but both still same platform, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if this comes, then I will buy this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. So what about anything else about the design from outside, especially this version, because it's got I guess you guys are still calling it desert intake, or is that snorkel?
Yeah.
What do you guys call it now? The official name? Do you know?
The parts or the
yes. Is it okay to call snorkel?
Same, yeah.
Snorkel.
Same
Okay.
name, yeah.
So this one is a factory option, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
accessory.
So he can't really confirm what's factory out, what's from factory, what's not. But he said this is still a concept, but these are all possible accessories that you can put. The snorkel, and we have the roof rack on top, ARB. But lately Toyota has been partnering with major vendors, right?
Yes.
ARB is from Australia, I think. Yeah. So what about the suspension? Is there any different about suspension?
same as that.
Same.
Same.
So all the FJs are same suspension. I see. Okay.
Are the tires different? Those look more like all-season tires. These are maybe all-terrain tires.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are Toyo open country, right?
And even the wheel
Yeah.
design looks different,
Yeah, different.
but same wheel size.
Same size.
Same
size.
But these open countries are the same one that's in my Lexus GX 550, the same 80
okay.
series. Yeah. So
This is 17-inch.
17.
inch.
This normal model.
18.
Oh, 18. Okay. All
yeah.
right.
So
Very
the
good.
off-road version has smaller wheels, so you can get more rubber.
Yep.
You know, so you can get much more rubber for more serious off-roading.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, this one is a round headlight version, right? And the other one is a little bit more rectangular, just like 250 series. We have two
J250,
different. But I like this iteration. I like the circular headlights better. But even in the rectangle one, I like it better than the 250's design. Is that something? Did you guys intentionally design the front to look a little bit different from 250 series?
Well,
Still similar.
Basically, it's one family. We
One
want
family?
We want some consistency, but in the same time, this is a very different character car. So
Yeah.
a little bit adorable, a little bit more like a flexible. So yeah, a little bit different. Yeah.
A little bit different.
It's the little brother of the whole family.
Little brother.
So yeah.
So since there is a Land Cruiser 250 and GX 550, can we get a Land Cruiser FJ and the Lexus version?
Yeah.
So
Is that
UX.
possible?
I'll push this difficult question.
No comment. No comment. Maybe we can only hope.
Yeah. In my dreams, this is the new Lexus UX.
There you go.
Very
Yeah,
different
yeah, it
from
could
a
be a
small
Lexus.
hatchback to what we would want in America,
Right.
more off-road focused.
That'll be so amazing.
Oh,
That'd
it would be
amazing.
incredible. It would, yeah. They would have years of wait list.
Yeah, that's right. So show us a little bit more about the inside. Is that okay? Is that back to Asai-san or is it you or? なんかもうちょっと開けられないんでしたっけ? Oh, actually, we cannot open the door here. We did
okay.
open the door of the other
Yeah, the
one.
other one, yep.
But conceptually speaking, it looks like a miniature version of Land Cruiser 250.
250,
Is that's on purpose?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Sure.
Luggage, only luggage is okay.
Like we can open the trunk. We can open not the trunk, but the cargo area.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
let's do that.
Oh, and they can show us the land hopper.
Yeah, then we can.
Which we weren't sure 2 years ago when they showed the land hopper if it was going to make it to market, but
Yeah.
it is for sure coming now.
Is the Land Hopper coming to North America also? No. ランドホッパーはアメリカにとか行きますか?
これも同じですね。
Oh, okay. So Land Hopper also in consideration, but not in current
Okay.
plans.
Okay.
So yeah. So is it okay to open? Can one of you guys open it? Yeah. Oh, is it locked? Oh.
No, the key fob works. Key fob works.
Yeah, key fob works. Okay. So I know one very important thing I wanted to ask you guys was no windows. No windows here, but you can see the opening inside. So Louis, what was the idea? You guys didn't put the window, but it looks like there was supposed to be a window.
More
Yeah.
panel.
This is more panel.
Yeah.
It's
だけどこの、窓をつけなかった理由は何でしょうかね。それは結構大きくなっちゃう。
So
Because
from-
it's such a big C pillar, right?
Yeah. From outside, we want to create something different and with stronger character. So that thick D pillar is one of our weapon
I
way
see.
to achieve that
Okay.
exterior design. And
Yeah.
also, it's not just for beauty, but for interior, we make full use of that part. And you can see. You can put whatever you want, the
Accessories.
little stuff there.
Yeah.
Additional
So,
storage.
Yeah,
So we got the Molly panel now here, and you can put like stuff attached things
Yeah,
to it,
yeah,
ropes
yeah.
and things like that.
Yeah.
But is the visibility still okay with no
it's,
windows?
Yeah, we researched all the cars within Toyota lineup. It's above the standard. Our
Oh,
standard.
okay. So it
it's-
still meets the threshold
Yeah.
for good visibility.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay for the visibility, and also in the same time we researched a lot.
Okay.
Sometimes most of the users they put many stuff on the back, even with the window. So
Okay.
Yeah.
sometimes
I
the
see.
window doesn't work.
The window's
Yeah.
blocked anyway.
Yes,
Is what you're saying.
that's
Okay.
true.
What about when you fold down the seat? I guess you probably can't do that, right? Can you then? Does it tumble forward? It doesn't go flat, right?
Yeah, this one is cannot go.
It doesn't
flat.
fall forward like
Yeah,
J250.
yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Just,
so
you can do like this. You cannot go like that.
oh, okay,
Wait,
so this is more like
so-
a regular, smaller,
yeah.
compact SUV. It just folds this
Yeah,
way.
You're gonna have still when the
Still-
seats fold down about that
Yeah.
that much of
Right.
height.
Yeah.
But you know, it's quite a bit of space though. Like
It's
I
a
don't,
lot
you
of
know, like
space.
this is pretty deep,
Yeah.
wide, big opening. This is really big openings.
Huge.
Was that part of the
Huge.
purpose? Is
Yeah,
to do?
sure, of course. As you can see, probably is one of the biggest,
Opening.
back door
Yeah.
opening.
Would you say it's more accessible than even J250?
The width?
Yeah, just the overall opening,
Opening.
here.
Yeah, it's bigger. And
Wow.
It's bigger. I can tell it's opening
It's
bigger.
huge.
But that's also because we have the side opening for the tailgate,
Like
right?
old Prado.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
I have a 23 GX opens
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
How did you guys decide this way or this way?
Was it the tire? Because the tire on the back. Okay.
Yeah, so this is like one of the most notable difference between this and other Land Cruisers or GX for that matter is the fact we open sideways. He said because if you put the spare tire underneath, then you have to have a longer overhang. This has to stretch, and by not having it, you can make this much smaller. And you know what? To be honest, since I have a car with both this way and this way, I actually don't mind this at all. Like people complain all the time about opening side, but it's actually easier to just open a little bit, grab something and close than it is to open all the way.
It's true.
Yeah, it's actually, I really like this design.
I like this design. A lot of people still want tailgate,
Yes,
but that's
yeah.
also very costly to
Yeah,
do.
exactly.
But the tire on the back, was that always a part of the original design? Because we haven't had a tire on the back and besides
long
Jeeps and
time.
Broncos in the US, like we love tires on the back. It just adds to that overall rugged aesthetic.
yes.
Defenders have,
Exactly,
G-Wagons.
yeah.
So there are other models in the US that have it, but seeing it here on a Toyota is like, last time we saw that maybe was FJ or the FJ Cruiser.
Right, yeah.
So that's a great nod to that vehicle and previous Land Cruisers. But also even the RAV4, was it the third gen RAV4?
Had a
or
spare
second
tire
gen?
in the back.
Had the spare
Yeah.
tire on the hatch.
Yeah,
And so,
actually the RAV4 had it since the beginning up to
oh,
the,
was that right? Okay.
up to the third gen, yeah.
So Americans are hungry for spare tire on the back.
Exactly,
We love that we have it here, but again, it's something we can't have.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's right.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, it's good design.
Yeah,
What
great,
about
beautiful.
tell us about the 3D tail lamp thing? That's one of the signature design.
Yeah.
Tell
of
us
course.
about what's the meaning behind it.
So
I guess.
basically, there are two reasons. One is for function, as you mentioned, we want big opening on the
Yeah.
back. So we put usually tail lamp is here, but we
Right.
want to make this opening bigger, so we just put this added on the canvas
On the side.
sticking out.
I see.
And the second reason, by this like sticking out style, can make this car looks more characteristic and tougher. Yeah.
Tougher looking.
And,
Yeah.
and more like a playful or joyful.
Yeah, joyful. I like
I like it
the
a lot.
design, right? Like
like
it's a really cool idea.
And I think it's sticking out also, kind of minimize, because the bumpers are big on this vehicle.
Yes,
and with it
yeah.
sticking out, it kind of balances it
balance
out.
out. Yeah, you even get the arrow fins here on here. So yeah, what else can we talk? What about just I know
Powertrains?
no one powertrains.
Yeah.
Can one of you talk about the power engine transmission choices?
エンジンは、
はい
2700cc のガソリンエンジンまでは
Mada. So for now, the only offering for the powertrain is the 2.7 liter naturally aspirated engine, 6-speed automatic, and even though the 250 series in Japan have turbo diesel option, they're not going to offer that right now. And no announcement also for hybrids or plug-in hybrid. None of that he can confirm yet.
Yes.
So now it's just 2.7, which is a great engine. It's very proven.
Bulletproof, yeah.
Super reliable. But that's where the challenge is with bringing this car to North America, because it's probably not powerful enough. So who knows
so
what
150 horsepower,
Yeah.
60 or something like that.
we need a little bit more than that, 180
Yeah.
or something at
Yeah.
its very least. So anything else, Kirk, design or engineering wise?
Well, since we can't get on the ends, but the inside is a shrunken down version of the J250. I think it's really well done. The technology is just where we want it.
Yeah. Is it going to run the RIN system? I think they're not. Oh, okay. So it's not running the RIN system.
No,
actually.
it's what the J250
Yeah, basically it's
has.
following the
Yeah.
Land Cruiser. So, but also one more question is, the ladder frame, which is now it's based on the Hilux Champ platform out of Thailand. And I want to ask how different that is from the TNGA-F platform.
Good.
タイで作ってるんで、Okay. So the main thing is, so I asked if there's a much difference between a TNGA-F platform and this ladder frame, which is based on IMV platform from Thailand. He said the main thing is to make the car smaller. So the platform has to be smaller, the frame has to be smaller. It's more of a dimensional decision as to not using TNGA-F. I don't think the TNGA-F platform can accommodate this vehicle because the frames are too big. And so, but the basic construction is similar because it's still ladder frame.
Audio frame, yeah. So it might not have all the fancy like laser welding and the like thinner sheets of steel at certain points. Like
TNGA みたいにレーザーウェルドが入ってるんですか？ブランクウェルディングとか。もっと traditional design. It's more of a hand welded traditional frame, which is there's nothing wrong with that, but it doesn't have some of the more advanced lightweight stuff
or additional rigidity. Okay,
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Any last question, Kirk?
Is it available in manual transmission in certain markets?
No plans.
No plan.
No plan. So is it 6-speed? Oh, okay.
6-speed automatic. Okay. Yeah. What about what else am I going to ask you? I guess no pricing information. You can't talk about the pricing, and so all we can ask is to please bring it to North America.
Please.
Yeah,
please.
You guys have to please request for that. And then also, just before we sign off, we want to also show the Land Hopper quickly. Is it okay? Can one of you guys show us the Land Hopper? Because this is so cute.
We
both want to buy one.
Absolutely. Yeah. Look at the cute disc brake on the front.
I think this one I can probably buy it and bring it to North America, right? Because it's not cars. I don't need to meet any of the safety standards.
In theory, I think you're right.
I think this one I can just buy it and bring it over. I'll do that.
I'll give you a bunch of money so you can bring me one too.
Okay, sure.
Okay.